Hello guys, you're welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In this video, I want to share with you how to bypass FRP lock, Google account lock on Infinix X559 Hot 5. Let's get started. Connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network and press next. Right here, we can all see that this phone has a Google account lock, which means you cannot skip this process without signing into the previous Gmail account that was signed to this phone. So, carefully follow this video and I'll show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to insert a valid SIM card. If in case your SIM card is not showing up after inserting it, then go ahead and reboot the phone so that your phone can detect the SIM. After rebooting the phone, now the SIM card shows up, and at the same time, our Wi-Fi network must still be connected. Let's move on. Tap on emergency. Double tap emergency information. Tap on pencil icon and continue. Contacts. Add contacts. Select any of the contacts. Then click on the selected contacts. Right now we are in the Google Chrome browser, okay, and we are going to use this browser to download a very small APK file, and this file is called Quick Shortcut Maker. Okay, so we are going to head straight to our Google search bar, and then we search for addrom.com/bypass. Inside the Addrom website, you need to carefully scroll down and search for Quick Shortcut Maker APK. Then click on the backup file to download. Now that the Quick Shortcut Maker has successfully downloaded, we need to go ahead and install it. After installing the Quick Shortcut Maker on your phone, then you go ahead and open the application. Right here inside the Quick Shortcut Maker application, you need to gently scroll down and search for RLK settings. Then tap on it and select the first option. Then click Try. And that's it. Guys, congratulations, we have successfully bypassed FRP lock on Infinix Hot 5. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and check out my other videos like this one. Alright, stay blessed.